What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for this video because a lot of you guys have reached out to me wanting to know how I get my abs, what I do for abs. So today's the day I'm gonna share with you my favorite 5 exercises that I do probably about 5 times a week. Each one is only a minute, and this video you can actually follow along with me so we can get those abs together. But I do want to let you know that my abs are also made in the kitchen. I do have a very strict diet. I eat pretty clean. Yes, I do drink maybe a little too often, but that's beside the point because I do these exercises I try to do them 5 times a week, and I'm excited to share them with you. I'm warning you now, they are pretty challenging, but you have to start somewhere. 5 times a week, play this video. It's only 5 minutes. You can do it, and we're gonna do it together. Also, if you're wondering where I got this cute outfit, this video was actually sponsored by Yoga Club. It is my favorite fitness subscription box. I get a new outfit like this every single month, and it just, honestly, it just motivates me to work out even more. So thank you, Yoga Club. All right, so let's dive right in. We're gonna be doing this together to get those abs for the summer. We're gonna be doing 5 exercises, 1 minute each, total 5 minutes. Here we go. First one, single leg crunch. So your legs just a little bit off the ground, and you're gonna raise 1 leg at a time. Make sure your arms are out to the side, not under your butt, because that's cheating. 1 minute, here we go. Do anything for a minute. So these are really working the upper abs, as you can see. It's kind of working the legs too. Double whammy. These are, I'm warning you, these are some of the hardest ab exercises you can do. But once you practice and once you do them, 3-4 times a week, you'll get better. You'll start seeing those abs. Okay, almost done. 2 and 1. All right, next exercise. We're gonna do side arm planks, dips. Side arm plank dips. Dip up and do 30 seconds on one arm and then 30 seconds on the other. And so these are working your side obliques. Really squeeze. You can feel it like right here. All right, switch. You might actually be better on one side, like I was better on the other side. And these 5 exercises will work every part of your abs. So right now we're really focusing on this side oblique. Okay. 3, 2, 1. All right, now V-sit crunch. So bring your legs straight and then bring them up. V-sit crunch. So now this is also working your lower obliques and kind of your legs a little bit. So when you get to the top, you really want to squeeze. Squeeze. Come on, ladies, let's do this. Come on, we got this. We all want those abs for the summer, right? Come on, it's only a minute. Actually, we only have about 15 seconds left. Goes by like that, right? Honestly, when you look good, you feel good. And plus, working out, it's the best way to really change your state. Oh, okay. 4th exercise. We're gonna do bicycles. So turn. You want the opposite elbow to hit the opposite knee. So these are also working your side obliques a little bit. You should be feeling the burn a little bit by now. Come on guys, you got this. We're doing it together. We're like a team. Team, what does team stand for? Together, everyone achieves more. Come on guys, 15 more seconds. We only have one more exercise after this. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling my abs. They're burning. I love that feeling. There's nothing better than being sore after a good workout. All right, last one, full body crunch. So arms overhead and crunch. Overhead and try. If you want to make it harder, don't let your feet or your arms actually touch the ground. Woo! Washboard abs, here we come. I feel the burn. Are you feeling the burn? I am. 30 more seconds. We got this. We got it, we got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ten more seconds. And then we're done. One step closer to our six-pack for the summer. And we're done. Yay! Don't you guys just feel that much better? I'm telling you. All right, so there you go. My 5 favorite ab exercises. It only took 5 minutes, you guys. If it was a little hard, keep practicing and you'll get there. If it was too easy, well then maybe go for 2 minutes for each one. I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely feeling the burn and I love that feeling. But thank you guys so much for joining this video and working on your abs with me. That was a blast. Play this video as many times as you want. I do these exercises about 5 times a week. 5 minutes, you guys. Come on, we all got 5 minutes to work on ourselves to feel better, right? I'm all about living that active, healthy, fun lifestyle, and this is one way you can do it. I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. All right.